Today we will show you how to configure proxies in C# and .NET so you can scrape the web without stumbling upon rate limits or risking your safety. While creating this tutorial, we use .NET 8, HTML Agility Pack 1611 and Visual Studio Code. Before you start, make sure to install all the tools on your computer. By the way, if you have Visual Studio 2022 or any other integrated development environment that supports .NET, it's also fine. You can also need to have a suitable DataImpulse plan. There is a dedicated video about how to sign in to DataImpulse and choose your plan. The link to this video in the corner of your screen right now, and you can find it in the description of this video. Let's start by creating an HTTP client. It will route all traffic via a proxy server. The code is on your screen now. To run this and all the following apps, use the .NET run project name of project command. Next, we shall build a proxy rotator to distribute all the traffic between numerous IP addresses and websites won't catch you using proxies. After that, you should build a proxy checker to check whether a proxy server works. At this step, you must enter the proxy, host, port, and credentials. You can copy all that from your DataImpulse dashboard. Finally, let's move to data scraping itself. It sends requests and collects data. In this tutorial, we scrape titles and links from the DataImpulse homepage. However, you can adjust the code and set another target link so you get the data you need. That's it. We have a detailed article on the topic on our website. The link in the description. You can copy code from the article so you won't have to rewrite it manually. We are also ready to have you back with our ethically sourced proxies, which will cost you only $1 per 1 GB. You can find all the details on our website, dataimpulse.com. If this video was helpful, please give it your thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the web scraping trends. See you in the next video.